Energy. I get it from many things. For example, when someone tells me that something is impossible, when I know that it can be done. The energy in nature, at work, at home. I often get it by sharing my own. I try to give it to my colleagues because I've noticed that it often comes back around that way. But I also give it to myself. If I'm tired, I move. I don't sit still. Doing stuff that gives me energy, never stuff that takes it away. My work allows me to live like that. It's a force that always pushed me forward, where I've met new people. From the time that I was an apprentice at Volvo, almost 20 years ago, to where I am today, leading a big team of technicians and mechanics, lifting each other in the same way that we work with our machines, helping each other to become better. The future is here, and who knows what it will look like in 10 years. A future where technicians work a lot more with computers and digital instruments and less with screwdrivers. A future where some things seem to be impossible today. Well, that gives us energy. And if we work together, we'll manage almost anything, just like life itself.